You know what's terrifying about Kafka? You can configure your producer to acks equals all, get a green checkmark saying success, and still lose that data 5 seconds later. Seriously, most engineers treat acks equals all like a guarantee. It's not. It's just a handshake from the leader. And if that leader is the only one home, you're in big trouble.
Here's the kicker. Acks equals all just means the leader waits for all in-sync replicas to sign off. But what if your cluster is having a rough day and the leader is the only in-sync replica left? It writes to itself, tells you we're good, and you move on. Then the leader crashes. And just like that, your safe data vanishes.
You thought you built a distributed fortress, but you actually just wrote to a single hard drive that caught fire. And because the producer got that success signal, it never retries. The data is ghosted. You won't even find an error in the logs.
So how do we actually fix this? The secret isn't on the producer, it's on the broker. You need a setting called min.insync.replicas. Set this to 2. Now you're forcing the leader to say, I cannot accept this write unless at least one other guy copies it first. No backup, no success message.
Now your data is actually durable. But there's always a trade-off, right? Forcing those confirmations adds latency. Every millisecond counts. So can we be this safe without destroying our performance? That is a tricky balance. Let's talk about it next time.